Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, a wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 41,805 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.